Welcome back to Cozy Space Living, where small spaces meet big personality. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of eclectic, colorful design, perfect for transforming even the tiniest apartment into a rich, layered, and visually stunning home. If you've ever felt limited by square footage, this guide is here to change your perspective. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and drop a comment below telling us your favorite color palette. Your support helps us keep creating cozy inspiration just for you. Now, let's explore how to mix colors, textures, and styles in a way that feels intentional, not overwhelming, bringing that sumptuous look into your compact living space. The key to an eclectic, colorful apartment is a confident starting point. Choose one or two dominant colors that will anchor your space. Think deep emerald green, mustard yellow, or rich terracotta. These tones create a sense of depth and warmth, even in small rooms. Once you've selected your base palette, apply it strategically. A painted accent wall, a vibrant sofa, or even bold curtains can serve as your visual foundation. The goal is to create cohesion without making the space feel cramped. Remember, in small apartments, color can replace square footage when it comes to impact. A strong palette instantly elevates your home, making it feel curated rather than cluttered. Eclectic design thrives on mixing patterns, but in a small space, balance is everything. Start by combining different scales. Pair large floral prints with smaller geometric patterns to avoid visual chaos. Textures are equally important. Think velvet cushions, woven rugs, ceramic decor, and metallic accents. These layers add richness and dimension, giving your apartment that sumptuous feel without needing more space. Stick to your color palette while experimenting with patterns and textures. This keeps everything feeling intentional and harmonious, rather than overwhelming or mismatched. An eclectic space shines when old meets new. Combine vintage finds with modern pieces, like pairing a mid-century chair with a contemporary coffee table. This contrast adds character and tells a story. In small apartments, scale matters. Opt for furniture that is visually light. Think slim legs, open bases, or glass surfaces to keep the room from feeling crowded while still embracing variety. Don't be afraid to let one or two statement pieces stand out. A bold armchair or a uniquely shaped bookshelf can become the focal point that ties your eclectic look together. Wall art is your best friend in a small apartment. Create a gallery wall using a mix of prints, paintings, and even textiles. This draws the eye upward and maximizes vertical space. Decor should feel personal and collected over time. Mix travel souvenirs, books, candles, and plants to create a layered, lived-in aesthetic. The goal is to make your space feel like you. Be mindful not to overcrowd surfaces. Leave some breathing room so each piece can shine. In eclectic design, editing is just as important as collecting. Creating an eclectic, colorful apartment is all about confidence, creativity, and thoughtful curation. Even the smallest spaces can feel luxurious and full of life when you embrace bold colors, layered textures, and meaningful decor. Thank you so much for spending time with Cozy Space Living today. We hope this guide inspires you to transform your apartment into a vibrant, cozy retreat that reflects your unique style. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments. We love hearing from you. See you in the next cozy transformation.